Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by choosing 3 to 5 specific goals and pick one as your priority for the next 30 days. Clarity beats vague wishes. Do a short 10-minute audit of current habits, time use, and results to record a baseline you can measure. Break the priority into micro habits that you can do in 5 to 15 minutes each day and aim for 1% daily improvement. Small, consistent gains compound into meaningful change over months and years. Convert your chosen micro-habits into scheduled 10-minute blocks on a calendar and attach them to existing routines like morning coffee or commute. Consistent timing beats willpower. Track each action daily using minutes, reps, pages, or dollars so you have simple metrics to review. Every 7 days, spend 15 minutes reviewing what worked and what failed, then adjust the plan for the next week to preserve momentum and reduce friction. At the end of each month, measure progress against your baseline and adjust one variable by no more than 5% to keep changes manageable and sustainable. Celebrate small wins with a modest reward and enlist an accountability partner to report weekly progress. Social reinforcement increases adherence. Reduce friction by removing barriers, automate where possible, and repeat successful micro-habits until they become automatic routines that require minimal willpower and deliver steady betterment over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.